Hi guys, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. My daughter and I are going to make it. I thought I'll share it with you guys.
We're gonna get some mint from the garden and get cooking. Looks fresh. Smells good. Wow.
Guys, this is our first harvest for the season. Look at the lush green mint leaves. Actually, I just planted them with one stem and look at the amount of growth it has put up for just 1 year. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the length of each leaves, guys. It's kind of more than maybe 2 inches. Amazing, right? Mint is a great herb that many of the cuisines use in fresh or dry form. Some of the health benefits of mint are it improves digestive system, it improves immune systems. It also helps soothing the common cold symptoms, and it gives a refreshing taste that can make the mouth feel clean. Now let's look at the ingredients needed. Mint 1 cup, coriander leaves 1/4 cup, ghee 2 tablespoons, green chilies 2 to 4, coconut 1/4 cup chopped, cashews optional, Basmati rice 1.5 cups, carrot 1/2 cup, green peas 1/2 cup, potato 1/2 cup, and spices. Now let us look at the preparation for the paste. Add coconut, ginger, green chilies, garlic, coriander leaves, and the mint leaves, and mix them, drain them with less water. Now let's look at how to make the Pudhina Pulao. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of ghee, add bay leaf, star anise, cardamom, cumin seeds, and cinnamon. Let them sizzle for a minute and then add cashews. Add the ground paste and fry on a medium to low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then mix veggies and saute for about another 2 minutes. Now pour 2.5 cups water and add salt to taste. Mix well and check the salt and bring it to boil. Now add the washed and drained rice. Cook the rice till the water almost evaporates. When there is very little water left in the cooker, close the lid. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes on the lowest flame available on your stove and switch it off. Do not allow to whistle. When the pressure releases, open the lid and mix gently. Ta-da! The garden fresh mint pulao is ready to serve now. Serve the Pudhina rice with a simple onion raita or with a curd. Hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.